Hi, in this video I'm going to present you Rapid PBR Material Creator add-on for Blender. This add-on was made to speed up your material creating workflow. Here in Substance Painter I have a new material created. The textures are already exported and now I would like to import them to the Blender. To do this I need to add a new material in Blender and drag all these textures manually here and connect them properly. It took me around 50 mouse clicks to create this material. As you can see, it's extremely time consuming and basically what I'm doing here is wasting time. If I would like to add another material, for example this one which I also created and exported, I need to duplicate this material . Let's name them. And replace all these textures here with the textures from another material. Again, one by one. But what if you change the textures externally in Substance Painter, make a new pack, or edited the textures in Photoshop? In fact, you need to reload all these textures one by one again by clicking here and clicking Alt-R or reload. But luckily with this add-on you can do all this stuff with a single click of a button. Let me show you. Let's delete these materials and open the side panel where the add-on is located. Choose the directory where the textures you want to import are. Make sure it's a non-relative path. Type in desired material name and simply hit a button. As you can see, a new material has been created instantly and it looks perfect. However, we have no transparency here because we didn't click to use transparency. Now, if I will replace the material, the transparency will be present. Replace selected material checkbox forces the add-on to override currently selected materials. However, we can also turn this off and the new material will be created below, like that, without this. To import the textures, the add-on looks for specific file suffixes in the directory, but if you use different than default, you can choose your own, of course, here. I will show you how it works by importing the other material. So I will change the suffix of the color textures to C. And now these color textures will not be imported because the suffix is color. So let's test it. I will replace the first material. And hit create material. And as you can see, the color texture has not been imported. Now I will change the file suffix to C and replace another time, and it's done. There is an option to use different normal format, DirectX instead of OpenGL, and the new addition is that the add-on now supports packed textures. So instead of using one file for one texture, you can combine multiple textures in one file using the channels. So to import a new material with packed textures this time, I need to go to the Substance Painter. Let's import this material. Go to the Export Textures, and here in Configuration I have a setup for packed textures with ambient occlusion on red channel, roughness on green channel, and metallic on blue channel. That's why the suffix is RAM. I will go to create a new folder for this material. And hit export. Now in Blender, I need to click use pop textures and set occlusion, roughness and metallic color here, and change the suffix for pack textures, and also change the folder. And now everything was set up. Let's hit create material, and as you can see, it's perfectly imported. The pack texture is located here, and its channels are distributed to the proper inputs according to the setup in the add-on. Now to show you how fast I can update existing materials, I will modify my material in Substance Painter. Let's export the textures. And just click Update Materials button. It's insanely fast. As I said earlier, without this Update Materials feature, you will need to reload each texture one by one. So, thanks for watching this short video. If you would like to purchase this add-on, links to the stores can be found in the description below.